All right, so these are just random thoughts, but I think a lot of people live in a fantasy world of how they feel the opposite sex should be. They have like this ideal person in their head, so they subconsciously create this mystical person. And then once they realize the very real reality of who this person actually is, they don't exactly know how to deal with it because they no longer have their fantasy. It takes a tipping point to shatter the idealistic image that you have of someone. They feel like now this person completely changed when in reality they were who they were all along. I mean, yes, sometimes people do hide their true selves and manipulate you into believing they're someone they're not. But sometimes that person showed you the truth about who they are, and you manipulated yourself into seeing someone different. You manipulated yourself into seeing exactly what you wanted to see and believing what you wanted to believe. You just chose not to see it. I'd be willing to bet if you think back to your previous relationships that went bad, you could pick out some red flags that you should have paid attention to. They're clear to you now, but at the time you were Ray Charles to it. You that person could do no wrong. That's why it's important to be very spiritually grounded. And I'm not talking about religion or particular beliefs and ideologies because we all have different ones. What I'm talking about is being so in tune with yourself physically and spiritually that when your gut feelings are firing off, you listen to them rather than ignore them because a lot of people do that. Your gut is literally a second brain and it's always going to let you know when someone or something isn't right.